Good morning, all. Today we want to celebrate 26th November 1946, the adopted the Constitution. So based on this, we want to celebrate the Constitutional Day as well as we want to take one oath also. This day, 1946. November 1949, November 26th, we adapt our Constitution, but our Constitution came into existence 1950, January 26th. So based on this, 2 days also, even though 26th November 1949 also important to us, and 1950, January 26th also important day for us. So based on this, we want Veneria opposite PU College and Alipur students want to take one vote. I request to Usmezara and Nazif second PUC to give vote or pledge to our students. Take position for you. We the people of India have solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thoughts, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give ourselves this Constitution. Also as well as lauded and Samvidhan દિવસ. So 26th November 1949, we adapt our Constitution in the Constitutional Assembly in the Central Hall. But later, our Constitution came into existence January 26th, 1950. So on this occasion, our Veneria opposite PU College, we undertake some. First, I would like to call second PU students to debate on this Constitution. So shall I call second PU student Anushri Zendra to give a short debate or speech about Constitution.
Executive
11th question. Name the part which contains directive principles of state policy. Fourth part. Part 4. Correct answer. Question number 19. What is constitution? The term constitution is a body of rules and regulations which may be written or unwritten. So constitution is a body of rules and regulations either written or unwritten. Two more. Mention any two fundamental rights. Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation. The correct answer. Question number 9. Which is the shortest constitution in the world? American Constitution. Correct answer. America, shortest constitution in the world. Only 7 articles. Question number 8. How much time has been taken by the Constituent Assembly to make Indian Constitution?
2 years, 11 months, 18 days, 7 sessions.
Correct answer. 2 years, 11 months, 18 days, and 11 sessions took to make Constituent Assembly. Now anti-clockwise. When did the Indian Constitution come into force? 26 January 1950. Correct answer. 2 more. Question number 6. How many articles exist in the original Constitution? 160. Original Constitution. How many articles? 300. Original Constitution. How many? 395. 395. Correct answer. Question number 1. Which is the root word of Constitution?
The term constitution is derived from the Latin word constitute, which means something composed.
Constitute. Correct answer. Question number 13. Which amendment removes the right to property from fundamental rights? Which amendment remove the right to property from fundamental rights? Actually, beginning they gave us 7 fundamental rights. So one remove the property right. When in which amendment? Past next group. Same question past you. 44th amendment. What is the amendment? Correct answer. Okay. 1 raise mark. Next point goes to the group only. 16. How many fundamental rights were there in our Constitution?
There are 6 fundamental rights. Before it was 7 fundamental.
6 fundamental rights were there in 7. Question number 23. What is preamble?
The preamble is an introduction to the constitution. It is the soul of the constitution.
Right answer. Introduction to the Constitution. Introduction or details or first Next one more last round. Question number 22. Mention any one fundamental duty in our constitution.
Protecting the constitution and national flag, national anthem, national.
To respect our national anthem, national symbol, and totally our national integration respect. Question number 20. What is the first line of our constitution?
We the people of India.
Correct answer. In our constitution, first line is we the people of India. Means our constitution dedicated completely for not for any one person. Question number 4. Who are the chairman of drafting committee? Correct answer. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 5. When did drafting committee submitted the draft? February 1948. Correct answer. February 1948. Question number 10. Who described the preamble as the political horoscope of the
PM Munshi is said as a
correct answer. A. Munshi. Question number 3. Who are the chairman of Indian Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer. Drafting committee. Ambedkar. And the Indian Constituent Assembly. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer. First place declared group B only. Now second place 6 groups got equal marks only. Shall I ask some questions? Question number 17. How many articles exist now in our constitution? Present. Wrong answer. F group. Pass for E group. Wrong answer. Pass. 463. 463 is the correct answer. So grace goes to group D. Group D. Group E. 18. Which is the group word of constitution? Constitute. Correct answer. You know. Don't get confusion. Who got 4? But they not the response. Already eliminated.
Which article refers to rights to constitutional remedies? Article 32.
Article 32, correct answer. It is only for second place purpose, not question number 15. How many fundamental duties were there in our constitution? 11 fundamental duties, correct answer. Group A, 2 marks. So step 1, sir. Anybody eligible to second floor? Eligible to second place? Group A, get at the second place. And third, remaining Group A, Group D, Group E. Group E and both are declared as a third. Again, you can't find it. Both are declared as a third. Thank you for participating. Really, it is a good opportunity to you. So, because of comfortable day, so we have good opportunity to ask questions. So, thank you. So, this competition, first place goes to Shagufta Rashmi and Amali Zara. First place Arjuman. So, Arjuman Fatima, they scored clearly all group out of 4 marks and they scored extra passing marks also. So, congratulations. In this competition, second prize got Masame Anju and Ayana Fatima of first place. Congratulations for both. Got Asbir Zara and also Sufia Fatima of first place. Congratulations for both. So, third place got 2 groups in that Amma Zainab and also Sakina Zainab also got third place in this competition.